Hello.
Today's my birthday. I turned 55. I'm Kathy Reese.
And here's the birds. There's another bird. The ambiance of the ocean. Very nice. Very nice ocean. Very nice birthday. What? And the fire.
For me to keep warm, and she's in the cold for her hot flashes.
Well, I'm old. And then again the birds.
And your card.
The card.
And where's your movie? There's Mom.
Okay.
Queen.
The queen.
The mean one.
That's it.
And then here's your shells.
There it is. And then my pear martini. And my lobster.
Hold on.
And my salad. Lobster, bacon, French fries. And Trisha.
Can't tell what I had. It's gone.
Yes, Trisha was hungry.
I'm an athlete. I weigh 125. What do you weigh?
I'll never tell. See? Lucky girl.
Looking good.
Oh, looking good.
Old
Okay.
age, old
Again.
sun, pool.
Okay, where are we? What's the name? A Montage. Montage. Here's the bar, the Montage. And you just look around. And the ocean. And the ocean. Happy birthday to me. Oops.